Today I'm going to be showing you a new cool feature of OnSign, which is called data feed matching columns. So whenever we want to display a menu design with dynamic prices, so in this case I have an image here in the background, right? And I have the price fields, and basically what I want to do is have my prices overlaying the current design, right? So I can change that price anytime we want without needing to change the whole design, and that can be very dynamic. I can change these prices instantly using a data feed, right? So we have here the data feed with all the products and prices, right? So I have the name for the burger and then the price for that burger. So before, what we need to do is we have the text box created, and here on the left side we go down here until we see data feed, and we would select the data feed, choose the column that we want to display, and then we would choose before the row the position of that price, right? In this case it's correct, it's the first row. But what happens if we change the order of this products right here, right? And that can happen. I could be adding new products in between the ones I already had, so that would completely change the orders of my data feed. So now what we have is a feature to match a specific ID or a specific product name. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to select here on row match, and then we're going to match it with the burger name. So I want the price that matches the burger name, and then I'm going to type in the burger name that I want to match the price with. In this case, it's going to be called classic beef burger, right? So let me go here to the data feed, and I'll just copy that and paste it right there where I want to match the product. And there it is. It's showing me already the price that matches the value, burger name, classic beef burger, right? Why does it say cycling? It says cycling because imagine that I had more products matching, more prices matching the same product name. I would be cycling through all those prices that match the same classic beef burger. This happens because I could also use ID. So instead of the name of the product, I could have ID 1, for example, and then show a price for that ID 1. I could also have more than one row that says ID 1. In that case, I would be cycling and showing all values for the ID 1 for 10 seconds each. This is how it would look like. Let me set up a new one to show you how this would look like on an actual operation, right? So I copy this text box that I already had. I'm gonna paste it right here so we can reuse this. I'll just go and place it right where I want it. I'm going to select the text box again, and let's go here on the left side until we see data feed. And it's already following the same structure that we had before, right? Selected the data feed, price. I'm going to match the row, match burger name, but instead of classic beef burger, I actually want spicy chicken burger. So let me just copy that to make it quicker. And I'll just paste it there on the match value. And now it's going to adjust the price accordingly. So if for some reason I want to add a new product in between the classic beef burger and spicy chicken burger, and change the position of the row for the spicy chicken burger to 3, it doesn't matter anymore because now we are matching to the burger name and not to the row position. This was another feature that we have recently launched. I hope you liked it, and have a good day.